welcome back to another video. It's your girl Paris. In today's video we will be doing, of course, a gym vlog. So we will be working out back and arms. It's nothing to it today, just keep it simple. I had an energy drink today already, so I don't think I want to take any pre-workout, but let me show you the flavor that I had. I had the Alani new cotton candy, new flavor, and it's pretty good. I love it. But yeah, we're just gonna go work out these arms and back and keep it cute and simple. And if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you for returning. And if you do like these videos, please like, subscribe, and cut that notification bell on so that you do not miss any future videos. Let's get to it.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Ooh, you wait for me. And in every season you wait for me. No, yeah. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah. And I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Always spending time with me. Bet you nothing at a dime on it. Bought me at a price a man can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip on the cost. Gave us only son. Didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory only fully clothed. Yeah. No design is still unfold. Yeah. Took me from rags to riches, rags to riches, yeah. You wait for me, and you know, see, you wait for me. You wait for me, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches, oh yeah. And I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me.
They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Not a day goes by where I don't thank you. Always always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never compete. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. It's like you come in perfect time, and even through the shade you keep me shining. Off track till you passed out in the line. 2+2 stress, so I've been grinding. Now the day goes by where I don't think you. Always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never compete. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real.
Faithful and patient. Yes, you gotta see every single time you need him. I promise he'll be right there. Want you to believe if you get up on your knees, he can wipe away every tear. Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you put down those dreams and get with the Lord and Savior? Get with the Lord and Savior. Get with the Lord and Savior. Get with the Lord and Savior. Open my mouth to give him praise. Open my lips to give him grace. God is the king of my life. God is the king of my faith. Nothing I can do without him. I can't even move without him. I do nothing yet without him. Just you gotta see every single time you need him. I promise he'll be right there. Want you to believe if you get up on your knees, he can wipe away every tear. Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you wait for the king? Why don't you put down those dreams and give it the Lord and Savior? Give it the Lord and Savior. Give it the Lord and Savior. Give it the Lord and Savior.